Always be on time. This is the first chapter of your literature. So let's start it from the very beginning. Welcome students. I hope all of you are very fine. So my dear students, you must keep a book with you so that you can understand it very good. So in this chapter, I'll discuss your summary so that you can understand it very good. And my dear friends, after watching this video, you must read this book at your home so that you can understand it very good. So the next day I'll give its solution. So today I'll define uh, its summary. So let's start it from the very beginning. The chapter name is always be on time. Yes, my dear friends, that's good topics. Always be on time. That means doing all work on times. I repeat it again. Doing all work on times, that is represented by always be on times. So let's start and talk about the punctuality. So here is a punctuality. So my dear friends, what is punctuality? Punctuality means doing job at fixed time. That is called punctuality. As we know, punctuality is the virtue of successful person. In society, people who are more punctual are better at managing their work and daily life as they finish the tasks on time and never give excuses for a delay. Every person should cultivate the habit of being punctual as it not only helps in keeping body fit but also makes our life more organized and stress free. After reading the below lines, you would come to know what is punctuality, why is it important in life, how can we be punctual in life. And my dear friends, our daily routines it also present your punctuality. A latecomer students do not get respected by others. People do not like him. People started making distance from him. So let's see in the next page. Welcome students once again. So punctuality in a simple words, it refers to complete the tasks on time. Punctuality help in building the integrity of a person. Being a punctual means respecting the value of time. Punctual is an etiquette which motivates a person to perform a task in a timely manner. My dear friends, my dear students, punctuality is one of the most important quality of famous leaders and students. Punctuality also reflects reflects on individuals' respects for other people and time. Punctualities help helps in reducing anger and improving the self-confidence. Punctualities enables students lead a disciplined life in a school. So these are all things that is very important to being a to be a good student. So basically in this chapter we are talking about the punctuality, and this is the main factor to get success in our life, my students. So let's talk more about punctuality. And as you know, it keeps a person fit and healthy. Punctuality is the most important factor in the student's life. The person with punctuality gets more respected than other. Being on time make you feel positivity all around. So my dear friends, this is your second paragraphs. Sorry, this is your second page, and let's see the third page. Welcome guys once again, and after reading this all things we realize that if we are not punctual we might miss many important things in life. We should be punctual to a school daily life. People appreciate us if we are punctual in every day. It is important. It is very easy and simple to maintain a punctual life when we wake up in time, In the morning daily, we have to keep a list of important things that day. We should keep a reminder of when we need to complete these tasks. If we do these things, then we can learn that what is punctuality. Many students miss great things in the same place without any improvement just because they are late. So we should keep in mind that time and that wait no man. Only if we are punctual, we can complete our tasks on time. Punctuality not only saves our time, it also saves other times. Let's see the next paragraph and welcome guys once again. This is your last page of this story and this is really very good. So let's read it summary. If we are not punctual, no one will wait for us to reach the place or complete two tasks lately. Punctuality generally means doing things on time. It is a very fact that punctuality is not just needed for practical life, but for making things happen in our daily day-to-day lives as well. Punctuality is very important for students as well because this way they will be able to handle all pressure of their life. Students who are punctual in their school are mostly appreciated by teachers. And there is a one thought for you guys: time waste those who waste time. So we have to understand it very carefully and we have to respect the time so that we can we can be a good punctual students in our daily life so that we can also respected by teachers, by friends and by parents. So it was your short summary of this chapter. So I hope you had fun today and see you in the next video. Till then, have fun and do study at your home.